Mastering relative clauses with relative adverbs. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English grammar: relative clauses. Specifically, we're going to look at how to use relative adverbs to introduce these clauses. This topic might sound complex, but it's crucial in making your English more flexible and natural. So, let's get started. Relative adverbs are words that introduce a relative clause. They can replace a preposition plus which in relative clauses. The main relative adverbs you'll come across are where, when, and why. Where is used for place. When is used for time. Why is used for reason. An example of each. 1. This is the park where we first met. 2. Do you remember the day when we went hiking? 3. I don't understand the reason why he left the party early. In each of these sentences, the relative adverb introduces a relative clause, providing more information about a certain element of the main clause. Now that we know what relative adverbs are, let's look at how we can use them in sentences. Relative adverbs are used to connect two parts of a sentence, introducing the relative clause which gives extra information about a noun in the sentence. This noun is called the antecedent. For instance, I still remember the place. We met there. Combining with relative adverb, I still remember the place where we met. In this sentence, where we met is the relative clause giving more information about the noun, place. And place is the antecedent. It's important to distinguish relative adverbs from relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are who, whom, that, which, and whose. They refer back to a noun or pronoun in the main clause, whereas relative adverbs refer to a time, place, or reason. Well, that wraps up our lesson on relative clauses with relative adverbs. Remember, these adverbs, where, when, and why, are crucial tools for connecting sentences and making your English more fluid and natural. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll master the use of these adverbs. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons. Happy learning!